up, y'all? Welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm so happy you guys came back to join your girl. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button right here. Share the love, give me a like, and all that good stuff. So before we start this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys what I bought from Burlington, and I also bought some things from Forman Mills. Okay, so if you don't know what Forman Mills is, it's similar to City Trends. So Forman Mills is our City Trends. Okay, so we have Forman Mills in New Jersey here. I don't know if you guys have a Forman Mills near you, but it's similar to City Trends. I'm gonna just show you some things that I had picked up. So let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so we're going to start off with the Burlington Haul, and I'm going to just show you guys the things that I bought. I picked up these curtain vines. I thought they were so cute, y'all, and I am in the process of moving, y'all, so I have to figure out where I'm going to add these in my home. I'm not too sure. Maybe I'll make a section and add these in. I don't know, but we're going to see. I'm going to make it work, but I just thought they were cute, and I just had to pick them up. I just love lights. I just love looks like that. I also saw this Barbie clock for Faith's room, and I thought this was really cute because she is a pink girl and she loves Barbie, and so do I. Shoot, I may put it in my room. I don't know, but we gonna see. But I just thought it was too cute not to pick up. My next item in the bag was these lashes. Y'all know I love me some lashes. These lashes were called Lash Splash Route 66, and I had to pick them up because they were only $5.99, and I put on the last pair, which was called Whiskey Dramatic, and they were so cute. They're so light. So it's not how much something costs, it's how they look, how they feel. I will be going back to Burlington to add some more in my collection. So they felt so really comfortable. I like them, and they have all styles. I also added some ALDI sleep aid in my haul. I had to pick that up, y'all. Sometimes you just want a good sleep, y'all. I added in some apple cider vinegar gummies, and these were really great. So I had to add this to my healthy intake, y'all. Y'all know I'm on this weight loss journey. I'm trying, y'all. So they had some great benefits with that, so I had to add that in. I also picked up this cute travel bag for your makeup or whatever you want to put it in. The brand is Juicy Couture. I just thought it was really cute just to take with you when you're on the go. I thought it was really cute and stylish. I love the color that it was like a pink. It had like a brown at the bottom. It also came with this little travel bottle. You could put some whatever you want to put in there, setting spray or whatever. That was included inside. And then I like the little compartment where I can add more items. So yeah, I really thought this was cute, and I just had to pick it up. This was the last one. They had a black one, but the pink one just really stood out for me, and it was the last one. So yeah, it was cute. I also picked up this Glow Sketch LED 10-inch screens for Kyrie and Faith. I thought they were really cute. All you do is just power the button on and start drawing away. I thought they were really cute. They're good for traveling, for in the house, relaxing, and kids love to be busy. So I picked these up. I thought they were really great to have, and Burlington got some nice stuff, y'all. I also picked up this cotton swab Q-tip holder. Now I was like, I could put some makeup sponges inside, so you can put whatever you want in the inside. I thought they were really cute to have. You can put this on your vanity, on your dresser, however you want to do it. Okay, now we're going to get into the Forman Mills haul, y'all. So I picked up these birthday party bags. You get 3 in 1, and I believe it was like $2.99. So they were like $1 each. I thought they were really cute. Faith is going to a birthday party Saturday, so I was like, let me just add this in and get them. I also saw these pink hat visors, and I just picked up 2. I wanted to have one. Y'all know I'm a big kid, so I'm gonna wear one. I got Faith one. I thought they were cute. I used to have one of these like when I was little. But I just thought they was really cute for the summer, y'all, for the beach or whatever you want to do. So I picked up 2. I thought they were cute to have. So Forman Mills got some cute stuff, y'all. I just love Forman Mills. Especially my boys. They love the clothes from Forman Mills and things like that. So I picked up this windbreaker. I thought this windbreaker was really cute, and my son loves stuff like this. Kimar loves like windbreaker. Forman Mills have a lot of affordable clothing for women, boys, girls, a lot of nice summer outfits, winter outfits, and this windbreaker was really nice. I thought it was nice. So I got him like a 2X just to make sure he could fit it. So let's see what else I got. I got another shirt, and I believe Kimura liked it. This one, it's like in a jean material, and I thought it was really, really nice. It's like a jean material, and it's like a tie-dye print. So I do love tie-dye, and I thought it was really, really nice. When he seen it, he really loved it. So of course I had to get the girl, the little diva outfit. So I picked up her some pink jeans because I don't really think she got this color. I thought this color was really, really cute. It's more like a stretch material, and very, very affordable. I love me some Forman Mills, y'all. Nice, nice, nice little outfits. And the next one I got her this little sweatshirt. This sweatshirt was like $5. Y'all know I love me a sale. I love bargains. I thought it was really, really cute, colorful. So this was $5, y'all. $5 for this little outfit, y'all. Really cute, very affordable. So let me see what else I got in this bag, y'all. Comment below if y'all enjoying this video. If y'all still here, thank y'all so much. The next one I got a shirt for, I believe this is Kyrie's shirt. This is a cute little, this is a nice, it reminds me of like a jersey type, nice and colorful. It says purple, #1, but I guess because it got purple in it, but it was really, really cute. I loved it. Let me see what else we got in the bag. I got Kyrie also this Tom and Jerry shirt, t-shirt. I thought it was really cute because I still love me some Tom and Jerry. I still do to this day. Really, really, really cute. I got me some Dove soap because we gotta have a lot of soap in the house. Comment below if y'all house like that. I gotta keep loads and loads of soap because how we be washing and doing all this stuff in the house, I just try to keep a stock of soap and things like that. Also toothpaste. We gotta keep a stack of toothpaste up in this house, y'all. All right, comment below if you are enjoying this video. If you could kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, I appreciate the love and support. If you're still here, I appreciate you. One more thing, I added in some Dial liquid soap just to have in the house. And like I said, thank you guys so much. Okay guys, that was the end of this haul. I hope y'all enjoyed the items I got from Burlington and Forman Mills. Thank you all so much for being supportive to my channel. I appreciate the love and support. Follow me on all of my social media handles. The link is in the description. I also have another YouTube channel, and that is called Hot Tea with Miss J. That link will be included in the description. Come on over and subscribe. Come on over and subscribe to that channel. I appreciate the love and support. On that note, I will see you guys in my next video. Comment, like, subscribe, and share. Stay healthy, stay blessed. Keep on pushing to the top. Peace out. Bye.